Hi guys, my name's Ellie, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing the end of August update on my Finish 18 in 2018. You might have noticed I don't think I got a video up last month, so this is 2 months of products usage, and let's just hop into it. I feel like I got some stuff going, I'm pretty excited. I do believe I have footage of things. If I don't, I will just be gesturing to the footage that I don't have, and I'll look silly. It's fine. So I think we'll start with the one I probably have the least progress on. This is the Lorac Pro Matte palette. I was here. And we are here. So we're getting very close to the end. I'm using this a lot to darken up creases, this sometimes as liner, just kind of messing around with it. Often this is mainly for me to play on my face after I get home, but I'm still trying to see if I can get it done. I have a lot of confidence we can finish this up by the end of the year. I might be wrong, but I feel like in the next 3 months I can get it done, 3-4 months. So, that's where we are on that. Next one I'd like to talk about is the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. I was here, just for your records. And we're getting here. So you can't tell in here. I really don't think you're going to be able to see anything in Venus until I hit pan, just because of how light the shadow is and how complicated it is to show that dip. There is a good dip going in Faint. I want to try and use this as an eyebrow. I don't think I'm going to finish it up this year, but I'm hoping to at least hit pan this year. And I'm not really messing with Crave just because I have a lot of blacks and I don't feel the need to focus in on that black while I'm also working on the black in Lorac Pro Matte. Now onto the things that I feel like I can really get some stuff going on. For my Tarte Exposed Blush, I was here. Get it open. And we're so close. I haven't decided if I want to crush it up and push it to one side or just keep using the ring until it dies. But we're so close. I really think if I focus in this month, I can kill it. And then, my other Pan That palette, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. I was here. And then, kapow. So we have pan in 5 out of 6 pans. I haven't really dug into Blue Ice yet. I feel like Blue Ice is going to be one of those ones that goes with a lot of things, so I wanted to kind of work on these 3 that were potentially my trouble childs, and these 2 are the most fun to use, so those have gone pretty quickly. There's not a lot of Pink Heart left. I'm going to try and savor Pink Heart and Lucky Clover and just kind of dig into the rest. I got a lot of progress in Blue Moon by using it under my foundation to kind of make a glowy primer. I'm wondering if I can do that with Star and just get even more usage on it and just keep crushing it, because this, honestly, I was not sure how well this was going to go with me, and me never having panned a palette before, let alone a highlighter palette, let alone a highlighter, really. I think I'd done 1 last year, and maybe not. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see how this goes. I really think I can get it done by the end of the year, and I'm excited because I wasn't sure I was going to be this successful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was fun for you guys. Let me know what you're panning down below. I also have some ideas to bounce off you. I've been seeing stuff like 50 pans, and I'm kind of starting to try and focus in on what I want to do next year panning wise. My goal originally for this year had been to have a standard pan going and do seasonal stuff, and I just didn't do that much seasonal panning. I'm wondering about potentially doing a 50 pan, depending on what I use, and also a couple Pan That palettes, and maybe having seasonal stuff. I have, I'm about to kind of field test it. I, last year, used a ton of shades similar to my Subculture palette, and I realized as I was wrapping up fall that I could have just used my Subculture palette and gotten some nice pan in there as opposed to getting a little usage that's less visible in some of my singles, because I had like a mustard yellow and a olive green, and I just could have used my Subculture palette. So I'm going to pull that out and have it going as like a background companion palette, only more than just for a month, kind of for a season. So then I will have like some standard colors. So for fall I'll have mustards and olive greens and warm tones just specifically set aside that I can pull into any look I want to do, and then focus on other parts as opposed to trying to, I don't know what I would have done otherwise. But then, come spring, I can have a little bit more pastels, pull some pastel palettes, and just kind of hit some seasonal color stories. We'll see how it goes. Let me know if you've done more than one pan that palette, like a big one. I kind of want to pan the Self-Made palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let me know how it goes for you guys, how you guys are dealing with trying to use your collection, trying to limit your spending, and also be less tempted by a lot of the really gorgeous releases, because there are some really, really pretty palettes coming out, and I've been better than past years in buying less, but I am still buying, and based on how long it takes to use up an eyeshadow, let alone an eyeshadow palette, I feel like maybe I should stop buying eyeshadow. But then things happen, and buy eyeshadow palettes. So, I'm not good at decluttering, because I feel like I can use it. I feel like I can pan it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let me know some of your tricks and goals, and have you done a 50 pan? What's the biggest thing you've panned? What's the most you've panned over a year? How have you motivated yourself? Chat me up. See what's happening. I appreciate all of your time and effort in keeping up with my videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.